Hey, welcome to our tutorial that shows how to add Popup Forms by Smart Target on your Squarespace website. It takes less than 5 minutes and you don't need any technical knowledge. Let's start. Add your website on Smart Target and click on Configure Apps. Scroll a bit down and you will see the Popup Forms app. Click on Connect app. Now let's start to configure it. First, you can choose if you would like to show the pop-up automatically when page is loaded or as a floating button that will be located on one of the corners or on the side. If you picked the floating button, you can choose the style of the button, the call to action text, colors, etc. If you pick to show it as a pop-up, you can set the timing to show it, how often it will pop, etc. Any change that you make in the settings will show you immediately in the preview area. Next step, you can choose the icon you would like to show in the pop-up. You also have the option to show an image if you would like. You can also show text only by choosing none. The last option is to choose which information you would like your customers to fill in the form. Pick which field is mandatory or optional and add as many fields as you want. For example, you can ask for a phone number. Smart Target has official integrations with many platforms. Check the comment section for more information. You can always also copy our one line of integration code and add it to your website before the /body tag. You're welcome to contact us if you need any help. Smart Target. Increase engagement, get more sales.